Kutiwa bonanzi, eJuni. Bonanzi nani, eJuni. Bonanzi zona, eJuni. Bonanzi zona.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Bliga, and welcome to the vlog. Guys, today's vlog, I want to talk about the, as you can see by the title on the video, I want to talk about the cost breakdown of the building of the village house vlog or the episode. But yeah, we're gonna discuss the cost. I want to try to see if we can break it down in a way that everybody can understand. But yeah, I know this video has been requested for many times. I know a lot of people have been requesting to have this video of the cost breakdown in terms of the roof, the materials, the labor and stuff like that. So we're going to be discussing that in this video. Please stay tuned. And yeah, before I forget, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, this platform of mine, please do so. It's a great platform, especially if you're into your houses and into houses, building houses, houses around the villages, and also if you love cars, I also showcase some car contents. But yeah, if you love those kind of things, please subscribe and also share this video with your friend. And if you're a 10 subscriber, thank you so much, and thank you for requesting this video. At least it gave me time for me to see, to break it down, and also to know the total amount which has been spent on the roof installation, including material, the roof slab, the cost of the labor. Yeah, so in total, I'm gonna break it down to you while I show you guys some nice clips of the videos which are the house project in the village. But yeah, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, please, if you feel like you want to add something, you want to ask some questions maybe I didn't clarify on this video, please, on the comment down below, please ask your question. Let me know, and I'm very quick to respond. I'm gonna get back to you with a definite answer. So yeah, please stay tuned and enjoy. Yeah, guys, on this section of the video, I want to show you guys the roof material, the roof slab material which was purchased. As you know, the section of the house it roof with the roof slab. It doesn't only use the tiles like your balconies, and obviously where there's stairs, they're using the roof slab material. So I'm gonna be mentioning the roof materials which were purchased in terms of the slab. I bought, I think, about 40 bags of cement, Y10 mesh wire, six mesh wire, and then going to some steel bar which was used, I think, on the staircase, and also some space, somewhere where the mesh wire couldn't reach, and then I think it was about 12 of those. And then the shutter board, purchased about 16 board, 16 shutter board. However, this is the shutter board are good because you can also always resell them to maybe to somebody who wants to build the double story using the shutter board material. And then the timber pole, I bought about 32 of them. The timber poles are the, if I were to mention it, are the poles which are used to balance the shutter board or the slab, the roof slab. So that's what it's used for. I think about 30 of them, and then there were some few which were still available, which were used on the first floor slab. And then river sand, I bought about two load of river sand which were used. Luckily there was some still concrete, so I didn't have to purchase concrete because we still had leftover concrete, I think. Yeah. And then water, the amount we used 2 load of water, and then the delivery cost, it's about, I think, for all mentioned, I think it's about 4 loads. It's about, I think, yeah, there are somewhere there, 4 loads, it's about 800. And then there's electrical pipes. So before you put in the concrete, you need to put on the electrical pipes, those boxes that you see here on this video. Yeah, so those kind of these electrical pipes and stuff like that. I think the total cost there was 1.389. So yeah, so overall in total, it's the cost about the roof slab material cost about 34,381 overall in total. I might be missing something, but this is what I have as a proof. And obviously, when you're checking all the transaction and stuff like that, so this is what I got. Yeah, on this section, I'm gonna show you the roof tiles which was purchased. Yeah. So the roof tile which were purchased is the roof tiles, the original tapes, and then the original heap starter and tool, and the tool delivery of the of the because it was too late because they were delivering from Guyana, and then this hardware it's called Booker. Booker hardware. It's the nearest branch which was near my village. It was in Guyana, so that's where we bought it. And obviously this was recommended by the roofing guy, because you usually want to listen to what they recommend because they have experience and which the quality in terms of the roof, and obviously the delivery, the quality of work there, or maybe the relationship, maybe they, I don't know, maybe they get a commission or something. But yeah, so this is the what we bought. 4,150 of the roof tiles, Tucson roof tiles. So yeah, it's gray in color. So that was the, yeah, and then the overall total cost, it was, I think it was for 54,000, but however I think we end up paying 52,100 for, because we asked for discount. Yeah, it was hard for us to get this discount, but yeah, that is what we end up paying, 52,100. And yeah. And the last part of the material which was purchased is the timber wood for the roof. So for the structure of the roof, so obviously they use timber, the wood. So we bought beams. I don't have the details in the slip. I just have the total of amount which was spent, but however I don't have the specific details. So you'll forgive me for not specifying that on this video. Where there's a, because I think I haven't, I left or misplaced some of the receipt. So I tried to search the receipt, but however I couldn't find it. But yeah, the material purchase is the beams. Yeah, the beams. I think it was about 76 of the beams, and the Kapa wood. The Kapa wood it purchased was 90. And then there's nails. There's a lot of nails with different sizes and what is it that they use it for. But yeah, there's a bunch of nails which were purchased. I think it can fill up a bucket, a 20-liter bucket, the one which we purchased. And then there's bending obviously for to where the roof tiles sit on. And then there's transport, for, I think it was a 3 load paid for. I think each was 700 to transport. But yeah, this is the, and then they're going on to the total of the roof timber wood material. The total was 84,560. The overall cost of the timber wood which was purchased, including the nails and transport. So the labor for the roof installation, including the roof slab, also including the electrical pipes. For the roof slab installation, it was 7,000. 7,000 to install the slab, the roof slab installation. And then the electrical pipes, those electrical pipes where people, yeah. So that guy charged me 2.5 for the labor. And then going to the roofing installation, the whole roof, the timber, the tiles and stuff like that, the overall total of that was 35,000 in total. That's what the guy charged me, and then the roofing guy charged me. So in total, all of it goes to 42,500, the labor. So this including the labor for the roof slab and electrical pipes, also the roof installation. So that's total cost about 42,500. And then the overall cost for the whole project, which is I'm calculating the roof material, roof slab material, the roof tile material, the roof timber wood material, and also the labor cost. the overall total cost which spend is about total cost is 213,541 and 62 cents. So that's the overall cost. It could be more. I might have missed some of the stuff, but this is what I got when I do the calculation of what I had, including all the totals that I have. I might have obviously forgot about some delivery because some of them I used to give them cash, but yeah, I might have misplaced forgot about those. But however, this is the estimated money. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I just came back to close this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends. Share it with the potential people who wants to maybe embark in this journey and who wants to maybe start this project. Just share with them this video so that they can at least they know how to budget and to calculate their money around. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, thank you. And then stay tuned for the next one. The next video. Okay, I'll let you know. But just stay tuned. Then you can just see the next video on what I'm gonna post. But yeah, thank you so much and enjoy.